We often get the question, how do I convince my boss that 2 weeks and a significant investment are worth it, that it's going to return value? And here's what we say. There are several companies who have internal decision support organizations. And this workshop has what we consider and those companies consider to be the basic skills that people need in order to be effective in that role of supporting major strategic decisions. Everything from how do you facilitate a meeting, how do you identify what the real need is, what the real problem is, how do you have conversations with the decision makers in order to understand what they're looking for out of this, and then how do you do all of the analytics necessary to take a complex problem, break it into pieces, run some analysis and get some insight out of that, and then how do you convey it in easy to understand terms to the decision makers. In fact, if your boss has a question of what would it be worth, have them call us. We'll talk about how it might create significant value in a situation that may be unique to your organization.